Hello, my name is Riccardo Sammartini and I'm a technician from PR Rubino. Our company offers a range composed of more than 300 different types of conveyor belts, with their technical characteristics able to solve every practical need in the transport of products industry. I would like to present the Erlastick conveyor belt collection. They are monolithic elastic belts made of thermoplastic polyurethane used to transport light objects. Hence, they are used for belts not subject to high stress. Let's now see some of the advantages. Reduced diameters of the power pulleys, highly flexible thanks to the lack of textile. They provide enormous benefits with the greatly reduced diameters of the driving and power pulleys. To give an example, the 0.03-inch thick belts bend over themselves, thus rolling up until a 0.2-inch diameter. Lack of junction. Owing to the lack of textile, once joined, we have a 100% reconstructed homogeneous polymer without junction. Reduction of the loads on pulley axles and on the metal structure. Unlike other belts, Erlastick remains taut also on small diameters without loading on the axles, thus avoiding the risk of bending the small power rollers. High resistance. The extremely high quality of polyurethane they're made of make them highly resistant to scraping, oils, and greases because it prevents the belt surface from cracking over time. As they work on rollers with wider taper, they do not need high loads to sag the textile, and they're unlikely to slip. Therefore, by installing Ballistic belts, the metal structure will be lighter, and the consequent reduction of the power kW of the motor will enable remarkable energy saving. Easy belt setting. Thanks to their high flexibility, it will no longer be necessary to set and center the belt during the production phases. Consequently, big savings in maintenance costs will be achieved. There are several fields of application, from socks and clothes packaging to pharmaceutical, from the weighing and transport of paper and cardboard, from milk products to box labeling machines and many other applications. In the sample folder, we find all the applications for the food and non-food sectors. For further information and for the technical details of the Erlastick belts, please visit our website prrubino.it.